Gravando. Nojento. E aí, Bruninha? O maluco lá na cachoeira, ó.
Now what? That makes you uncomfortable. Fuck you and the Range Rover you drove in on.
Olha, tá vendo? A gente tá aqui, ó, na casa. Na
fuck yourself, convertible. Fuck your twice weekly trips to the
descendo aqui pro fundo, olha só que beleza.
From the Hamptons, Maine, flying first in south of France.
Aqui tem uma outra cozinha. A churrasqueira.
Cash than God can count. So why don't you just?
E aqui é a prainha. Aqui é o galinheiro.
Choke to death on your damn designer bagel from Baldouches.
De galinha, tudo aqui, ó.
No cholesterol, naturally.
Hã? Acabou já? Caraca.
Fuck the Wall Street Journal and Newsweek and the lot, including Nation, Village Voice, Guardian, and the rest. Stupid set of privileged motherfuckers think it's fashionable to have an alternative view. If you can, but pencil thin, alien drinking, calorie counting, caffeine limiting, sodium sparing, NutraSweet sweetening, rear view mirror cleaning, carrot nibbling bunny, drowning leak of bad cook, fucker.
Ô, vidinha mansa, hein? E aí, Chacão? Boa, cara. Estamos entrando na cachoeira. Água, mó gelo. Oh, vai cair não, pô. Let your political correct hours and that you're a big also. Needed asshole. Your idea of multiculturalism. Alto escorrega.
Japanese restaurant on Monday. Indian on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, Caribbean. Not too spicy, please. Well, I got stash and it ain't no cash. Money's in my family for generations. My great grandfather made the bag, selling European slaves in Africa. I got cash, motherfucker. And you can't tell whether or not I'm joking, can you? Dumb fuck.
Message to the world. You know what I'm saying? It's because you locked up don't mean you're invisible. You still exist, and your words is felt. So Pete, take heed. these thoughts to a comrade. You know what I'm saying? Go like this. Yo, many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave imprints in your heart. On our short experience that we shared, imprints was left behind. To handle yourself is to use your head. To handle others is to use your heart. Anger is only one letter short of danger. If somebody betrays you once, it's his fault. If he or she betrays you twice, it's your fault. Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Small minds discuss people. God gives every bird its food, but he does not throw it into its nest. He or she who loses money loses much. He or she who loses a friend loses more. He or she who loses faith loses it all. Learn from the mistakes of others. You can't live long enough to make them all yourself. The tongue weighs practically nothing, but so few people can hold it. Friends, you and me, we started our bond, our circle of friendship, and like that circle, there is no beginning and there is no end. Only if it is between two true friends. Holla back.